We're going to start with the head, and it's a little more narrow on the top than it is on the bottom, a bit like a flattened out egg shape. Two really big circles, and they're down below halfway. Then inside we're going to do another good sized circle, just a little bit smaller than the other ones. And then little half circles at the top. Should be like he's looking up. All right, this is the muzzle, so it's like a flattened out triangle shape, little curve with the nose, J. Actually, no, it's a V we're doing, upside down V. We're going to kind of outline, go straight up, over, and around the eye. Little eyebrows, little tiny C-shaped ears towards the top. Right, the body curves around and back up, so it's a little bit wider at the bottom. And then a backward C, then just a regular C, and then little fingers on the outside. The legs are going to be bent on the outside, so that curves around that way, this curves out and then inward. We'll add little feet on the bottom, right where the line connects to the body. Curve line between the arms and then around and back over to add a spot to the belly. We're going to color in the eyes. Just do that little part on the inside. Then you're going to leave a white ring around that and color in black in the area around.